Good afternoon. This is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. And wanted to shoot you guys this quick video because I see one that you guys are doing a lot of things right on your website in order to be number one across Google. But you guys you're sitting at number 18. So I wanted to just let you know about these things that you guys could do to help improve that to get these 720 clicks per month or searches per month for plumbers in Athens, Georgia. But in order to get those, you need to be number one, at least number two, to get all those things. So first thing was content, and you guys have a really nice site, and then you guys have 2,312 words. So in order to be optimized by Google, you need at least 1,500 words. So you guys are beating that by a landslide. So that is a good job there. And then the next thing I wanted to talk to you about was citations. And I like to use a tool here called Whitespark. And it shows us how many citations you guys have. So you guys are sitting at number 5 with 27 citations. So your number one competition, Plumber Pro Service and Drain, has 38. So you aren't too far off there, but still want to have at least 100 to 200 more citations than your leading competition. And what I like about Whitespark is that you can just click View Sources here, and it'll lay out all of the citations that Plumber Pro Service and Drain and all of your other competition has. And you can basically go in there and put your name of your business, your address, and your phone number, and then basically steal all of those citations for yourself. And then that'll put you a lot closer to beating them by 100 to 200. And so the last thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks, aka link juice. And like I said, you need to be number one in order to be getting most of these 720 searches per month. And so we like to call backlinks link juice. And how it works, simply put, is site A is pointing to site B, which means site A is acting like link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's kind of almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more tricky than that because you need to have relevant sites pointing back to your website. So seeing that you guys are a plumbing company, you need to have sites that are related to plumbing rather than, like a Pizza Hut or something like that, because you guys aren't really slinging pizzas for a living. You're doing plumbing things. So a tool that I like to use is called Ahrefs, and I've put you guys' website in there. You have 504 backlinks, which is a lot, so very good there, but still not compared to your number one competitor. Not too far off of there, but still want to be beating them by at least 200 to 300 in order to be more popular in Google's eyes. So also the same as with Whitespark, as with Ahrefs, you can click here on this 794 and it'll lay out all the backlinks that they are using, and you can go in and input your information in there as well and gain all of those backlinks to you. So in closing, you guys do have a nice site, and with content you are good there with that 2,312 word count. But then the next thing I'd say you guys could have a little bit more focus in on is the lack there of citations. So you need to be having at least 100 to 200 more, and then backlinks. 504 now is a lot, but still need to have 300 to 400 more than your main competition. So I see that you guys are using Bipper Media right now. So you can take this video, you can really forward it over to them, let them know that somebody else has noticed that they aren't doing everything that they need to do. Or if you want to just take the more effective way, then just give me a ring. My number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design, and my number is 678-661-5695. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.